If you want to print a web page in Google Chrome, and you want to do it quickly and correctly, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you want a hard copy for work, school, or personal use, Chrome makes printing simple once you know where to find the settings. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the web page you want to print in Google Chrome. Make sure the page is fully loaded and that you're on the exact content you want to print, because Chrome will print whatever is visible and selected in the preview settings. Now look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you'll find several browser options. From that menu, click Print. As soon as you do that, Chrome will open the print preview window on the right side of your screen. This preview is very useful because it shows you exactly how your page will look before you print it. Take a moment to review the preview, since this helps you avoid wasting paper, ink, or time. Now let's go through the print settings one by one. The first option is Destination. Click the drop-down menu here if you want to choose a physical printer connected to your computer. If you do not want to print on paper and instead want to save the page as a file, choose Save as PDF. This is a great option if you want a digital copy of the page that you can store, email, or print later. Next, go to Pages. Chrome gives you a few different options here. You can print all pages if you want the full document, or if you only want certain sections, select Custom and type in the page numbers you want, such as 1, 3, or 5. This is especially helpful when you only need part of a long article or report. After that, check the Layout setting. This lets you switch between Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the vertical orientation, which is best for most documents and articles. Landscape is the horizontal orientation, which is useful for wide tables, charts, screenshots, or content that doesn't fit well in a narrow page. Choose the one that best matches the content you are printing. Then look at Color. You can print in color or switch to black and white. If you want the page to look exactly like the original, keep it on color. If you're trying to save ink or the page doesn't need color, black and white is usually the better choice. This small change can make a big difference when printing multiple pages. Once you've reviewed all your settings and confirmed everything looks right, click Print. Chrome will now send the page to your printer, or save it as a PDF if you selected that option. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and adjust the settings before printing again. And that's it. You've now learned how to print web pages in Google Chrome using the built-in print preview window. It's a simple process, but once you know these settings, you can control exactly how your page comes out every single time. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more clear and practical Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.